So today I'm working on my buddy's 2010 6.2 SVT Raptor. Doing some coilovers in the front. Also doing tierod end and ball joint one here. Looks pretty straightforward. Jacked it up, took the tire off. $21mm nut on that. Got that out. Still need to break it loose up here. 21 on the upper. Disconnecting the brakes. I'm actually going to take the brake off and set it to the side. Move the cap, 13mm axle nut. And I'll probably disconnect the sway bar. After that, 15mm on top. We should be able to get this out of here. Decided since I'm going to do the lower ball joint, I'm just going to leave the brake on. Took the ball joint nut off, which is 24mm. And now I should be able to pop both those out and get this out of the way. There we go, all apart. Extra shaft, got the steering loose so I can put a new tire end on. It's not horrible, but he wanted me to go through the stuff. It's got just over 100,000 on it, and he wants another 100 out of it without problems. Little coilovers out. I did get myself a little bit. Snap rings off the ball joint. I'm going to press that out here and then put everything together. This is a nice thing about people taking care of their vehicles. I know my buddy washed his truck a lot. He's owned it. It's an Ohio truck. Ball joint pressed out pretty easy. Well, got the top hat off the old one. I use my sketchy spring compressors. I mean, I've used them on all kinds of springs, and at times they're spaghetti, but they always work. New spring, new shot on the top hat. Now, time for everything to go back in since we got the ball joint in and all the other new parts. All the shiny goodness.